Lesson study focuses on how the learner reacts or how the learner learns. So it's made me more conscious of how can I best say this so the learner can learn.
What lesson study gives us the opportunity to do is to set a lesson up intentionally, get lots of eyes and ears in the classroom to research it, and then see, well, what really happened? Where do we need to build on success, and where do we need to address?
Which one would be your first choice? Just think. We are going to vote on your feet, which means in 5 seconds when I say go, you're going to go and stand next to, but do not touch, the one you would most like to have. Go. Is to understand what decision making is and the process or what is involved in making decisions. Also to know how to develop and use something called criteria to select from the choices that we just did this morning with our 3 options of McDonald's. So again, we've got the pancake option, the McMuffin option, or the yogurt meal. Those were our options or our choices. Here are our criteria. It's the same ones I just used actually. How healthy it is, and we think that's pretty important, so we've given it a 3. How tasty it is, not quite so important. How filling it is, well, we're having fruit break in half an hour, so I know that that's not really a big deal. Okay? All right, let's do some thinking. The pancake meal. Is it going to be healthy? And remember, we're going to allocate 0, 1 and 2 as my point system. So, is a pancake meal particularly healthy?
No.
No. Would it be really unhealthy?
No. Yes. Yeah.
So maybe 1? Okay, so it's also written on your sheet. It says, what was the best educational activity that we did in Canberra? So that is what we are going to be deciding. Step 1, be clear about what we're deciding. Step 2, we need to be thinking about what our criteria are, and we've already done that for you, okay? Able to validate or explain the criteria that we used and how well that choice, for example Parliament House, how well it met that criteria. That is how we validate and explain. Thank you very much for the work that you have done this morning. Thank you for using your wonderful brains. When you move back to your regular seats, a couple of instructions.
Is that actually what it does is it helps teachers focus more on student thinking. The act of having to listen to them to collect the data that they need in a research lesson is a really powerful act, because if we can get teachers just to listen to students, to value their voice, and to understand the different ways in which that manifests itself in a lesson, can have a powerful impact on their own teaching when they leave a lesson.